Let's take a quick look at how we can install some custom fonts onto our iPads and iOS devices. Installing fonts on iOS devices is always a little bit tricky, but with the new Fontcase app, which is free to download, it makes it a little bit more straightforward. First of all, I'm going to find a font that I want to install. You can get this from any source you like. I'm going to use Google Web Fonts, and I'm going to search for one called Varela, which I use quite a lot. From here, I'm going to download it straight into my iCloud drive in the Downloads folder. When you've got that font file in the Files app on your iPad or iOS device, you can then open up the Fontcase app itself. From here, go to the top left corner and choose Import and navigate to that font file. When it's showing up in the list, you can tap on it to get a preview, and you can add as many font files as you like at this stage. Then, when you're happy, go to the top right corner and press Install. From here, you're going to choose Download Fonts, and then you're going to be told that it's installing a profile. This is okay. And you need to go to the Settings app now, where you can then choose New Profile Installed, and iOS will let you decide if you're happy to have that running on your device. If you want the font, press Yes and Install, and then that should be the whole process complete. Now you've installed your custom fonts, you should be able to access them from any of the apps. If I go into Pages now and highlight my title, that new font, Varela Round, will show up in my font library. This is a really great way to customize the work you're making on the iPad or your iOS devices, and it's a little bit cumbersome, but when it works, you'll be using these new fonts all the time. Hey, thanks for watching that video. Now, if you enjoyed that and you want to find some more quick tips for your iPad or to use in your classroom, do me a favour and press the subscribe button down below. That will really help me out, and it will help you keep up to date with all the latest tips and tricks on my YouTube channel.